We are now looking at isomorphic graphs. Now, an isomorphic graph is, or two graphs are isomorphic if they have the same number of edges and vertices and corresponding vertices have the same degree and edges connect to the same vertices. In other words, they are the same, they can just be drawn differently. So what we're looking for is one of these to be not isomorphic with the other three graphs. So let's work with the same thing. Let's start off with how many edges and vertices do they have? So let's start off with 1. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. So I'll just put V 5. And edges, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, they are long ones because there's no vertice in the middle. So there's 7 of them. All right, cool. Do they all have the same? Well, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that definitely has 5 vertices. That has 5 vertices, and that has 5 vertices. So they've all got 5 vertices. That's great. What about edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So edges, it has 7. Across trying to erase things and just drawing more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yep, there's definitely edges 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, and there is 7 edges there. Now that was probably always going to be the case because otherwise it would be too obvious, but it is something you should check first. So that's that one done. They're done. The next one. The corresponding vertices have to have the same degree and the edges connect to the same vertice. So what we're going to do now is work out what is the degree of A. And what we'll do is just put a little number next to it. So A has 1, 2, 3, so its degree is 3. And let's check on the others. Yep, that's a degree of 3. That's a degree of 3, and that's a degree of 3. Cool. Let's check B. B has a degree of 3 as well. This one has a degree of 2. And let's have a look and see what's the common. That's got a degree of 3, and that's got a degree of 3. So we know already that number 2 is not isomorphic. Oop, put that, it's one word, Russell. So we could keep going and checking more things, but we're not going to bother because we've already found that because B does not have the same degree as the others, that is not isomorphic. And if you wanted to look, you could see that this has a connection from BD, it has an edge from BD, this one does not. So that's where it is different. And that's all there is to that.